Oh man, another cybersecurity person. But no, I wanted to make this channel because I'm currently going through this journey, and so I figured that documenting my process through it would be something beneficial for me. Later on down the road, and I can see my progress, and I can see everything I've done from then to or from now till then. But when had first started out, I've seen not many videos about more entry level. They were more like getting into the field for more experienced people, and so I wanted to do something that was a little bit more entry level. So for this channel, it's going to focus more entry level and kind of work its way up. And also, I just wanted to make this channel to bring cybersecurity, awareness to people who, maybe aren't that aware of cybersecurity, as mostly everything that we do nowadays can be done on the computer. And so that's what I wanted to do. And lastly, just because YouTube is a huge part of my life, I have been using YouTube since I was so young, where you were able to just look up little X square triangle L1 L2 R3 just to enter cheat codes into your PlayStation 2. So I've always been on YouTube, watched a whole bunch of variety of different content. So I just figured, I would contribute to it. There's been so many other things I wanted to make videos for in the past, but I figured why not do it with cyber. Now, a little bit about me. I come from a non-IT background. I have a bachelor's degree in criminal justice, and I have military experience that has literally no correlation to IT cybersecurity at all. So I pretty much started this journey about 2 years ago now, and basically I finished up my bachelor's degree. I decided, I want to go for something different, and so I kind of went down this cyber path and figured that's where I wanted to go. And so I started my master's program about September 2023. Completed that for about a year and a half, and since then I've just been kind of making projects and working on things. So from those 2 years, I have completed my master's degree with a 4.0 GPA. I have completed the Security Plus certification. I have completed 6 months of an internship, as well as just worked on multiple different projects on my own time. I'm currently studying for the TCM PJPT, the Practical Junior Penetration Tester exam. I plan on taking that pretty soon. I'm still going through the course right now. It's a great course, highly recommend it. But besides that, some of the projects I've been getting into, or that I have done, is I built a home lab, a lab where what I'm running this on is currently my setup. I built this a little over a year ago. This has been everything, and besides that, I've also created a mini home lab with a Raspberry Pi, so it's pretty cool. Almost, my PC is black, this is gray, but it's almost like a miniature version of mine, which is super cool. I made it so I was able to run Linux, Windows, Mac OS, all these different operating systems and things on there. And then besides that, let me pull this up. I also created a magic mirror using this GitHub page to familiarize myself with GitHub. Thank you to all the contributors obviously that you can make this. This is kind of what it looks like. Mine did not look this fancy. Mine was a picture frame that I slapped a piece of film on it, a little mirror film, and then threw a monitor behind it, ran the script, and was good to go. And yeah, this is kind of what it looked like. And then besides that, I have been working on my own portfolio page. You can visit the site. It's not live yet, as you can see. But I am working on this. This is something that I've very recently started working on. And hopefully will be up and running fairly soon. And then obviously working through TryHackMe and different labs through TryHackMe. I had to do some labs through Pearson, where we went through like vulnerability assessments, where we went through Active Directory, we went through packet analysis and network traffic, that kind of stuff. All pretty cool stuff, be able to get hands-on experience. But basically moving forward, what am I looking forward to do with this channel? I do have a little bulleted list over here. But basically I want to start with TryHackMe walkthroughs of the labs. And I wanted to start from square one. So someone who wants to get into the field can very easily follow along, go to the site, do it with me. And I know the labs are pretty self-explanatory, but if you need the extra guidance, I plan on moving further on down into this for my own hands-on experience as well as to share the knowledge. And then I also want to use this for studying material when I'm pursuing different certifications, and just a way to other people. I can help other people could help me, doing something like that. Also documenting projects that I'm working on, step by step, and even showing you guys how that you could also do this project and do it from home. And then I also, just stuff for fun. I am a reader, so I would possibly post the occasional book review. I am a huge gamer, so maybe game reviews or my opinion on a game, or maybe just cool content. But I just want this channel to be something fun, something for me to kind of, do in my free time. But I will mostly try and make it focus on IT and cyber material. That is kind of my goal. But for moving forward, for the first serious video is going to start with this pre-security. If we go into it, we're going to start with offensive security intro and start from square one, and we're going to build up the knowledge. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, help me grow my channel. Very, very new. And hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.